goodness, I am so excited to be sharing this look with you guys. So I decided to recreate this look by YouTuber TiffanyJ. I'm gonna link her stuff below because she is an amazing artist. She obviously did it way better than I did and she mastered it. But here I am sketching out the heart with a white pencil, nothing fancy, because I just want to have that sketch there for when I go in with my shadows. I can just trace it out as I go. So here I'm just going in with the first shadow, which is going to be a light pink, and I'm just doing swish motions with my blending crease brush. And I really want to just like have that light pink because I don't want it to overpower the heart, because what I want to stand out here is the heart. So I just want that light pink to be my base pretty much. And then I'm going to go with the hot pink and a smaller detail brush. That way I'm going to start outlining the heart. And because it is a hot pink, this one's going to make it start defining more and giving it a nice pop. Now I'm going to go and take in a smaller detail brush and go and use more of a maroon color. Because this is more of a dark color, it's definitely going to define the heart, so that's why I want to use a small detail brush, because I'm going to be focusing on the shape of the heart. And I know this video is sped up, but take your time, trace the heart, and just focus on the detail on this as you go, because I definitely know I took a while. Now sticking with that same detail brush, I'm gonna go in with a dark plum color. So there's no going back here because now I'm sure of the shape of the heart that I want. So what I really want to do here is just trace over the sketch that I have in the shadows and just make it look a very nice pink purple color, so it could really like pop out. And I'm not gonna lie guys, this was not an easy process. Like, for my first time, I probably had to like redo this heart 4 or 5 times, so it's okay, be patient. I'm no artist. If you got it down and you're perfect at doing heart shapes, then go for it. I just really had fun with this look. But right here, I'm just like going in with concealer and cleaning up all those harsh edges inside so that it could really define the heart, and you could really see the shape of the heart as I'm cleaning it up, and the shadows as well. I didn't show the palette before, but as you can see, I'm using the Hot Mama palette, and that's the only palette that I'm using for this look. So here I'm just going in on the other eye, and I'm gonna take a break from the heart. And I'm just going in with the same colors, with my first shade being the light pink one, and then with an eye crease brush, I'm gonna go in with the hot pink and really just swipe it on my crease, because I really want the crease to get defined. So I'm going to use my Morphe M441 brush to really just blend that out, making sure that the hot pink stands out as well. Now focusing on the outer corner, I'm going to go in with that fuchsia dark purplish color so that I can add more of a boldness, smoky eye. And I'm just gonna blend it all out, making sure that it just softens up all the harsh edges of all the colors that I'm using, because they are very bold colors. So I want to make sure that they all look really nice and blended. Anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain. Paris in the rain. I did want to make that crease very defined, so I went in with a much more darker, bold, almost black purple, and I used my small detail to just go over the crease, because all I really wanted was to really shape the crease, so when I went and cut it, it would really have that dark effect. Now that we're gonna cut the crease, and just in the front, just so that we can leave some room to pack on that glitter. I'm gonna go in and put some glitter. I decided to go with silver glitter because I really wanted something that would make it pop, and I felt like pink would have been nice, but I really wanted to add a nice contrast to it. Again, inspired by TiffanyJ, so I decided to use a silver color, and I actually really liked how it turned out. So I'm just applying the glue, and then with my flat brush I'm gonna go in and just apply the glitter. I made sure not to tap it too much on the glitter per se. That way I could just use with whatever product that I had already on the brush and just smooth it out on my eye, because then it just gets too packed on and it's just too difficult to deal with. And then I just have, I'm gonna go in with my NYX liquid eyeliner, which was actually breaking on me while on video, and I was getting really annoyed, but luckily it worked out for me, because this is a really great eyeliner if you want to deal with glitter, because not many eyeliners are really good to use with glitter. It just gets really messy. Worry, I haven't forgotten about the heart. Here we go, and I'm gonna just pretty much do the same thing, but it's the fun part. So we're just gonna go in with the glitter glue, and I'm just gonna pack that on inside the heart where I want the glitter to go. And I'm gonna go in with my flat brush again and use the same silver glue, which is, by the way, the NYX glitter. I think they go by number, and it's number 10. Again, I'll list all of this below in the description so that you guys can have it all there and you guys can know what products I used. I also want to say that you don't necessarily need to use glitter for this look. You guys can always get creative. I love glitter, so if there is a chance for me to use it, I'm gonna take it, but you could easily use a different color to define it. Or even a glitter palette would have been fine, or a shimmery one. It would have worked perfectly. Always get creative, guys, because you never know what will turn out. Like I said, my first time doing this, all for fun, and I really enjoyed the outcome. I went back here and just decided to stick with that small detail brush to really just add more of a little shadow around the heart. Now that I had the glitter and everything in place, I just wanted to perfect it, because I can be a perfectionist here and there, which is probably why I get a little nervous with these kinds of looks. But all about having fun, guys. All about having fun. We can't forget about the bottom of the heart because it completes it, and I'm just really sticking with the same small detail brush because I really just want to define the lines, but it's just repeating the same process, just using the same colors. I really am sticking to the last color, which is more of a dark plum color, to really make it pop out and close the heart. And again, I'm going in and putting in the glitter, same steps as usual.
We could go anywhere, we could do anything, girl, whatever the mood we're in.
Now that we're done with that, we're going to go into the full face, starting with the Tarte Maracuja Oil before my primer, which is going to be Smashbox Photo Finish. I love this primer ever since I discovered it. And we're just gonna put that all over the face.
'Cause anywhere with you feels right. Anywhere with you feels like Paris and Paris.
Now for my foundation, I'm going to use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Liquid. Loving this foundation. Before this one, I was using the Neutrogena one, which is also amazing. But I'm really loving how this product is working out for me. And we're just gonna pack that on all over the face.
All I know is
now I'm going to go ahead and go with my Tarte Pro Glow to use that cream contour shade, and what I do is I use this brush to pack it on first, and then I'll go in with my Real Techniques sculpting brush and just pretty much spread it all around and add that really nice bronzed look to the face. highlight, I'm going to use Stila in the shade Kitten, and I like this because it's a light champagne pink, so it doesn't take away from the glitter that I have in my eyes already, which is already a bold look.
Paris in the rain, Paris in the rain. We don't need a fancy town, or bottles that we can't pronounce. 'Cause anywhere, babe, it's like Paris in the rain.
For mascara, I'm just going in with the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 Mascara. Wow, that was a long name. Finally, for lips, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick by Anastasia in the color Soft Lilac. I really loved how this color pulled off the whole entire look. It just went really great. I love it. Finally, we're just gonna set this whole look up and it is done. I am so happy how this turned out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, guys, and maybe it gave you a creative, bold idea for this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, and thank you for watching.
Anywhere with you feels like Paris in the rain.